Hello, Josh here today with Evergreen Tutorials, here to tell you about the today function in Excel 2016. First things first, let's just go into a cell. Type in equals today, left right parenthesis, and we get a formatted date. It actually changes the number format to date. I can unchange this, get general, and it will give me the serial number. So think of today as a variable. In all 6 of these cells, it is actually the today function. So it returns to us the formatted date as we just saw. We can make it a long day, date with the month, date again, a serial number, which I'll explain in a little bit. And it will always return to us midnight. If you're ever using it in your time functions, the today function will always return to you midnight, which can be useful. Moving on down here, I've laid out 2 examples of the uses of today function. So at Evergreen Tutorials, we make a video every day. So I can put in the time now using our now function, 12 a.m. tomorrow. So that means today plus 1. That is 12 a.m. tomorrow. That's the beginning of the 28th tomorrow. And for our time left, we can actually have the time of tomorrow at 12 a.m. minus the time right now. Press enter, and we can see the hours, minutes, and seconds left till the next video. Because this is the now function involved here, I can change anything else here and it will update that. Now the today function updates as well, but it's only once a day that the time changes. For the today function, it will always come up as 12 a.m. regardless of whether today right now is 1:49 a.m. Moving on here, I'm selling a picture here, and I'm selling it for 365 payments of $19.99 by today, and ships in 3 to 4 days. Arrives on, oh no, forgot to put this conveniently. All right, so how we can do this is put some quotes, will arrive on, end quotes, and sign. So I want to add my string and a function here. So month, today, close that, and quote slash, and day, today, plus 3. For over here, I want to put plus 3 to it as well because it's in 3 days. And I can see that it will arrive on 1:30. So even if the day changes, it will arrive in 3 days. It will automatically change. So if a user opens up, say, a catalog I make in Excel, my shipping dates will always be on spot, assuming I always ship in 3 or 4 days. Moving on here with the serial number. Now in Excel, the day starts at 0 and it goes to 1. So we get that explains the right of the decimal point, which isn't really important as far as the today function goes. The today function focuses on what's happening on the left of the decimal point. So here I have listed out a bunch of dates, and below I've listed out actually just the same thing. So if we double click it, it says before, it's looking up here, it's grabbing that data, it's formatting it different. I put it to the general, no specified format, and it gives me 43,127. These are the days past January 1st, 1900. Excel starts all of its days there, and it does its calculations based on that frame of reference. I'm Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and we've gone over the today function in Excel 2016. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for other educational content. Have a nice day. I can see that it will arrive on today. What? Thanks for watching and have a nice day. It froze.